The first one is you are going to interview 10 people about their favorite music and song. Okay, so you're going to ask them what kind of the music or song they love to listen. Okay, as well as the reason. So you're going to ask your friends not only the reason but also, for example, the name, the genre of the music, the title of the song, the singers, as well as the reasons why you love to listen it. Okay, next, use video call to help your work. You can use your video call or teleconference like what I do now. So in one time, you can interview for 10 people because you only use the teleconference and you invite them to join you. It could be by Zoom, teleconference, or whatever. And you do the screen record. It will help you. Next, ask the family before asking others. I prefer you asking your mom, your father, or your sisters and brothers. Okay? After you ask the family members, because you can ask them directly, right? Instead of using the video call or teleconference, because they are stay with you at home. So you can directly ask your mom about about it. And the next point is do the research based on the examples given. Okay, do the research based on the examples given. And the last one, okay, please send the video because you have to record it, right? Please send the video to albest020@gmail.com. Any questions so far before I give you an example about the slide?
So we interview how many people, miss?
There are 10 people that you're going to interview. Okay, guys, to make it easy to interview 10 people, I suggest you to use Zoom or teleconference and you do the screen recorder. Okay, screen recorder, and you just record it using the screen recording while you do the presentation. But I will give you a chance to do the presentation directly during our teleconference. I need six people that will be divided into two groups. 3 people, listen to me, it is the individual work, right? So there are 3 people will do the presentation at the first week, the first May, and next week, and the 3 others will do the presentation in another week. Okay, I hope that there are about some students is joined for the presentations during our teleconference. So I have already chosen. For the first one is Dita. So next week, Dita, you will not send me your video. Okay, you just do the presentation using this teleconference directly. Okay, so you just create the slides, okay, for the presentation. The first one is Dita. What about the others? Who will join me for the presentation? Hello? Dita? Faiz? Who else?
Can I choose Karin?
Yes, Karin. Good. Yeah, I know. Karin's English is good. Dita, Faiz, and Karin. Okay, for the first week, Dita, Faiz, and Karin. What about the second week? It means that these 6 people will not send me the video. You just pick up directly, while others will send me your video. It will be more complicated, right? It is better you just do your presentation directly using this teleconference. And I will record your presentation. Well, if you don't want to do the teleconference directly, means that you are going to record it by yourself and send the video to my WhatsApp address. Okay, who else? Dita, Faiz, Karin, and what about Safanda? Okay, Safanda, Zeran. Zeran?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, Zeran. Zeran will next week, Dita, Faiz, and Karin. And 2 weeks later, Zeran, as well as who else for the, and Avicenna. Avicenna, are you there? Avicenna?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, okay, Avicenna also. He will do the presentation. And the last one is, what do you think? The last one is? The last one is? Gladia, are you going to?
Miss, is this
Don't
not
need
doing
this.
Sorry? Yeah, sorry?
I don't want.
Gladia, you don't want to? Okay, what about the others? Zahra? Sorry? The one Ayasa? What about you, Ayasa? Safa, what about you, Safa? Safa, I think it's good. Okay, so once more, in these 2 weeks, I would like to invite Dita, Faiz, and Corinne for the first presentation for the first week, next week. So you just prepare for the slides. Okay, while others are going to send me via email. Okay, via email, you send me your video of your presentation. And the next week, another week after Dita, Faiz, Karen, next week will be continued by Zeran, Avicenna, and Shafwa in May. Okay, do you understand? While others will send your video via email, albest020. Okay.
Yes.
It is the last project, guys. There is no any other project anymore. So that's why in these 2 till 3 weeks, we only have fun by looking at your friend's presentation or by watching your friend's presentation. I also will play the video if we still have enough time to do that. Yes? Is there a question?
Is this presentation about the interview, right?
That's right. That's right.
Oh.
That's right. I will show you the examples. Okay? I will show you the examples. Yeah. Okay, here is the examples. Yeah. This interview belongs to Alamanda Chandra Uliachning and Zahira Lesnia from Science 2, 3 years ago. Okay, at that time I asked them to create it in a group because there is no COVID-19, right? So they were doing it in groups that consist of 3, and one person at that time were asking for 10 people. It means that 30 people have been interviewed by them. Okay, next. The first one is Manda interview. Okay, Manda so creative by inserting the music in it. Okay, because you have to send me via email. It is impossible. If you are going to insert all of the music or a song. So I suggest you to insert from 10 people 1 or 2 for the English music or English song. While Indonesian song, do not put Indonesian song or any other song exact English. Okay. The first question you are going to ask about the name of the person you are going to interview. Okay, in this case, Bu Isa, right? And the song is Sahabat Sejati. The singer Shalon 7. The genre is alternative or indie. And what is the reason? The reason because the song is nice or good. Okay, so this is the reason. Okay, next. The geography teacher love to listen Penjaga Hati by Ari Lasso. The genre is pop. And the lyric is deep. And the song is easy to be listened. Therefore, she loves to listen it. And also there is a song. Mr. Lemon, Judy, Romai Rama, Dangdut. The song is good. Adelina Zada. Yeah, she loves anime because the song is cool. Mr. Dayat loves Sambalado by Ayu Ting Ting. The genre is Dangdut because it is easy to be listened. Oh, this is a national anthem, guys. The reason is he was performing for solo vocal with this song, and it brings back memories. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, same Sambalado. Mr. Mulyana. Okay. Kalista Sekar. She loves the K-pop because the song is unique and makes her want to dance. Okay, this is Flair's the script, Catherine, because the lyric is so deep. Here's the song. The next part is Chenning's interview. Chenning's interview her friend. Okay, and then the salary of canteen. And the thing I love from Chenning is Chenning loves to, or she did the interview to her family members. Sudza actually her brother, and she is her mom, as well as he is his daddy. Okay, therefore, if you want to do that, I think it's good. If you're going to interview your father, your mom, or as well as your brother. Okay, so Dia love to talk about Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. I think you still know the song because he likes the beat. So Dia is a boy. Okay, Mrs. Andesta, actually Chenning's mom. Happy Nasarani, you are my world. Okay, keep up because the song is good and has good lyric. Here is, sorry, I will show you the song. It's the last member of the group, Nia's interview. Okay, it's not so different. Okay, too much 7, Biggie's, soul, pop, rhythm is nice. And Max her to she wants to sing along. This is the reason. Okay, this is the last part. You have to pay attention. You have to analyze. You have to make kind of the research about what actually the people love to listen. I do not ask you to write the numbers of the people, but you just write the percentage. 6.6%, 13.3%, okay, and 46.6%. Okay, once more, you pay attention to the percentage instead of the numbers of the people here. Any questions so far? Any questions so far, guys? Okay, if there is no question anymore, we still have about 25 minutes to do the interview. The presentation, you have to make the slide, right? You have to make kind of an interview as well as making kind of the research. Then you do the presentation. After you do the presentation, you record it, right? So send the recording instead of, or the video instead of the slides. I do not answer.
I'll send the recording of the presentation.
Good. Okay, you sent me the video of your presentation.
We record the interview and then put it in the slide and then record the presentation
Good.
and then send it.
Yes. I do not ask you to what is it, like put all of the video of interview. No, I don't like to do that. Why? Because it will take much time, right? Sorry, much pura, and it's very burden the email if you send me all of them must be short or must be recorded. But I only ask you to put one or two music, for example, or you just send me the video only 1 till 2 people in 10 people. Therefore, your email will not so hard to be sent to my Gmail.
Okay.
Do you think this is very hard, right? If you make the video of each interview, for example, I'm going to interview to Ranga, then I'm going to interview to Avicenna. If I interview 10 people, then I will make the video for each part. Of course, it will burden the Gmail. Okay, it will be very hard for the Gmail to be sent. Therefore, I suggest you to make the video of 1 till 2 people of the interview. Then you send what is it? It's like for the file of your presentation, right?
Okay.
Yes. Then you record what you do for the presentation. Is it clear enough, guys? Because there are some classes still get confused about what should you do. Once more, send me the video of your presentation. It's very easy, right? Send.
Yes.
How to do that? You just use what I'm doing now. You use teleconference or you use Zoom. Then you use the fast tone or any recording from the laptop. You just use one tool for any activities. I only use my one tool like what I'm doing here, and I save all of the things by recording all of my activity at this video.
Okay.
Okay, I can show you one example belong to my YouTube channel with I will show you that we have done with my class in Science 4.
Yes,
Yeah,
miss.
so Gagas do the presentation now. So, yeah, you just make this kind of example of the presentation. Use one tool for the presentation and interview. You just use the interview or by using the teleconference or Zoom, like what Gagas did. Okay, or Safina. Yeah, like this. So Dita, Faiz as well as Karin, Zeren, Afisena and Safwa, you will do like what actually Safina and Gagas did. You understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay, like that. Any other question? Okay, I will send you the link of my YouTube channel. Then you can see and watch the examples of what actually my class Science 4 did at the previous meeting, as well as the examples of the slides. Okay. I will send all of the things you need for the interview. Do you have any question, guys? Hello? Do you have any other question?
No, miss.
Okay, doing now. You just use the teleconference or Zoom. Then you invite 10 people. You just ask about what actually they love to listen, what kind of the music or a song they love to listen, and you record it. Only that. And you make the slides. Speak up like what Afisen, Safina as well as Gagas did. Okay. And for 6 other people, you just make the slide and you will present it next week and another week. Okay, I will call the name first. Another question, yeah?
How long? Yes. Can I have something?
Yeah.
How long is the conversation, miss?
It is up to you. Actually, I do not need to listen your conversation, but I need you to make the slide about what actually your friends love to listen, like what the slide I show you before.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Hafiz. So actually, I don't need you. How long you will use? Do you want to speak up for with your friends? But I need you to do the presentation. I don't ask you to speak up for 5 minutes. No, I don't ask you to do that. You just speak up. Just speak up naturally. Okay, about what actually your friends love to listen. Okay, next, Abel. If there is no any other question anymore, I would like to share via Dita the all things you need to know. The first one is the examples of the video from my YouTube channel. The second about your scores and the explanation of the scores, as well as the slides about what should you do for this project. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. You still have about 10 minutes to do the interview. Okay, please do for this 10 minutes to do the interview to your friends. Use the video call, teleconference, or Zoom for that. Okay, thank you all. Please say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Bye-bye. See you.
Yes.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you. Bye-bye.